Welcome back to Luxury Motorhomes, where power, prestige, and pure imagination come together on wheels. Bon, today we are stepping into a world where supercar DNA meets ultra-luxury travel because we are reviewing the 2026 Lamborghini Luxury RV Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, this is a statement for people who want the thrill of a Lamborghini combined with the comfort of a five-star hotel rolling down the highway. Pandist. From the very first look, the exterior of this Lamborghini luxury RV is impossible to ignore. The design language clearly takes inspiration from Lamborghini supercars, with sharp angles, aggressive lines, and a bold, futuristic stance. The front fascia features sleek LED headlights shaped like Lamborghini's signature Y design, giving the motorhome a powerful and intimidating presence. The massive grille, finished in gloss black with carbon fiber accents, adds a sporty edge that you normally would never expect on an RV. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic panels, not only for style but also to improve airflow and stability at highway speeds. Bammed, the paint options are pure Lamborghini energy. Think deep matte black, verde mantis green, rosso red, and even custom two-tone finishes with exposed carbon fiber sections. Large alloy wheels with low-profile reinforced tires give this motorhome a planted and confident look. On the sides, you will notice flush storage compartments, soft closed doors, and integrated LED lighting that glows beautifully at night. Around the back, the rear design feels more like a hypercar than a camper, with angular taillights, a sporty diffuser-style bumper, and dual exhaust outlets that hint at the serious performance hidden underneath. Blandy. Now let's step inside, because this is where luxury truly comes alive. The moment you enter the Lamborghini Luxury RV, you are surrounded by premium materials everywhere you look. The interior design feels modern, aggressive, and elegant at the same time. Soft leather upholstery, Alcantara accents, carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminum details make the cabin feel more like a high-end supercar lounge than a traditional motorhome. And starting with the bedroom, this space is designed for ultimate comfort and privacy. The king-size bed sits on a custom platform with Lamborghini-style stitching and premium leather headboards. The mattress is high-density memory foam, ensuring a restful sleep no matter where you park for the night. Ambient LED lighting surrounds the room, allowing you to choose different colors and brightness levels to match your mood. On both sides of the bed, you get smart touch panels to control lighting, climate, and window shades. Large panoramic windows with blackout curtains bring in natural light during the day and complete privacy at night. Built-in wardrobes with soft close doors and hidden storage compartments provide plenty of space for clothes and travel essentials. Moving on to the bathroom, Lamborghini clearly did not hold back. This bathroom feels more like a luxury hotel spa than an RV washroom. You get a spacious walk-in shower with rainfall and handheld shower options. Surrounded by glass panels and premium stone-style walls, the vanity features a sleek countertop with an integrated sink, LED-lit mirror, and high-end fixtures finished in brushed metal. The toilet is a smart system with heated seating, bidet functions, and automatic flushing. Even in the bathroom, the lighting and materials reflect Lamborghini's signature bold and futuristic style, making every detail feel Dumby. The kitchen is another highlight of this luxury motorhome. Designed for both style and practicality, it comes equipped with top-of-the-line appliances. You get a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, and even a compact dishwasher. The countertops are made from premium composite stone, resistant to heat and scratches. Storage cabinets are seamlessly integrated, with hidden handles and soft close mechanisms. There is also a stylish dining area with a leather-wrapped table and comfortable seating, perfect for enjoying meals or working on the road. Every inch of the kitchen feels thoughtfully designed for long journeys without sacrificing luxury. MBDP and HBMC. Now let's talk about performance, because this is a Lamborghini after all. The 2026 Lamborghini Luxury RV is powered by a high-performance twin-turbo diesel or hybrid powertrain engineered to deliver impressive power and torque for a vehicle of this size. While exact specifications may vary, this motorhome is expected to produce well over 600 horsepower, ensuring smooth acceleration and confident highway cruising. An advanced all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability whether you are driving on open highways or challenging terrain. Dam suspension system is fully using air suspension technology to deliver a smooth and comfortable ride while also adjusting ride height when needed. Steering feels surprisingly responsive for a motorhome, making it easier to handle tight turns and city driving. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a full surround view camera system, helping you drive with confidence and safety. Value when it comes to pricing, exclusivity always comes at a premium. The 2026 Lamborghini Luxury RV Motorhome is expected to start at around $1.5 million, with prices easily climbing higher depending on customization options. Buyers can personalize almost every aspect of the motorhome, from exterior colors and interior materials to technology packages and performance upgrades. This is clearly not a mass-market RV, but a limited production masterpiece designed for elite buyers who want something truly unique. In conclusion, the 2026 Lamborghini Luxury RV Motorhome redefines what luxury travel can be. It blends the bold design and performance spirit of Lamborghini with the comfort and functionality of a high-end motorhome. From its aggressive exterior to its lavish interior spaces, powerful performance, and ultra-premium pricing, this RV is built for those who refuse to compromise on style, comfort, or status. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling in luxury.